Hello, this is the Tradesight US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 22nd of June, 2021. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday. It wasn't super exciting, but it is what it is. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. We're still under the risk line from the 13 sell signal, but we did get a bounce back day to day. We're only 4 candles down, or actually 5. If you go to projection, no, we recycled, so never mind. There's nothing here, so we're nowhere near exhausting the 13 sell signal. The red line is the target if we don't get a 9-bar startup phase before it, and it is what it is. All right, crude oil down 18 cents to 73.48. Gold down up $1.60 to 1784.50. That's a bounce off of the recent lows. The S&P gains 58.34. Still the same thing as the ES, basically. Their NASDAQ 100 up 87 points. Very near all-time highs on that. So we'll see where that goes. The SOX up 19.17. The biotech's up 41.03. Nowhere near highs, actually sitting where it was at the beginning of the year. Russell 2000 up 48 points. Again, sitting where it was, just above where it was at the beginning of the year. The VIX down $2.81, so a big drop in the VIX back to 1789. Nothing special yet. So that means there's not like a massive sell-off pending currently in the market. Trend closes at 0.43. It puts the 10-day at 1.28, which is not a signal. NASDAQ volume 4.5 billion shares. So light. Obviously Friday was the up day on that because of the triple expiration, but we're not seeing anything here now. The advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 563, so more stocks up than down. On the New York plus 1582, one of the best we've seen in a while in terms of advancers. Google gains $34.03, near the all-time highs. Apple up $1.84. Whatever. Netflix down $3.77, whatever, nobody cares. Amazon down 32.94, also doesn't really matter. We did get a 9-bar startup phase, and that led to that move. Tesla down $2.48. Facebook up $2.63, kind of near the highs, but hasn't done much for a month. Zoom down $4, basically $5 on Zoom here. We're in the money on our put strategy. Goldman Sachs up $8.71. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down $2.44. The Dow up 586. Bitcoin loses 930. It closes at 31,630. Ick. Put call ratio 58.58 is what it is. All right. In terms of intra-day action, it wasn't super exciting. The ES bounced around early, didn't do much. Broke out of the highs about 30 minutes from Friday's highs, about 30 minutes in, ran up, ran into the 13 sell signal, and then basically just moved up enough to fill that gap from Friday's close for the triple expiration, and flatlined after that. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, a lot less interesting. Had gapped, basically opened flat, moved lower, came back, and then basically the last 5.5 hours of the 6.5-hour day, dead flat on the NASDAQ. So it just wasn't exciting, wasn't much there. So in terms of economic data coming out, this is going to be the 22nd. Existing home sales and Richmond Manufacturing Index 30 minutes into the market. That's it. Here in the U.S., everything else is global. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.